Every great project starts with a blank canvas and a lot of digging. Welcome to part 1 of the Mancave build. We started by marking out the footprint and digging out the individual footing holes. Getting the spacing right here is critical for the structural integrity of the base. Next, we backfilled the holes with aggregates and leveled them off. Then we used pavers like these to keep the structure off the wet ground and allow for vital airflow underneath. With the foundations set, it was time to bring in the heavy metal. We laid out the galvanized steel subframe. This is the skeleton that's going to hold everything together. Now for the satisfying part, the walls. We're using high-grade insulated composite panels. These are fantastic because they provide structural strength and thermal insulation all in one go.